Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, peoples? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Wanston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? What's up Twitter family, Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, peoples? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents. You guys, welcome back to another amazing Cook with Wanston, guys. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. So welcome back, guys. So today we are making bow tie pasta, guys. So we're going to be making butter garlic bow tie chicken pasta today. Okay, so before we get into this lovely video, we're gonna go ahead and wash our hands. All right, so let us wash our hands. All right. Okay, so I already have my chicken breast here, so you will need chicken breast. These are the thin slices. So let's run some cold water, and we're gonna place some vinegar in here. All right. Okay. All right, so we're gonna let that go for a minute. And this is the pasta I'm using right here, bow tie pasta. So I've already preheated my hot water. So you're gonna need about a pot of hot water that looks like this. Okay, and it's already preheated. And we're gonna go ahead and pour our bow ties in there. And also, I think whenever you're making pasta, guys, it's preferably good to add about a cup of oil or butter so that your pasta doesn't like stick together when it's cooking. So you just add a little bit of oil, doesn't have to be a lot in there, and you just stir it around and just let it cook. Okay, so just a little bit of oil, nothing too fancy, and then that's it. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to cut these bad boys up, the chicken breast. Okay, we're gonna cut these up. All right. Okay. All right, so I have my knife here. All right, so we're gonna just cut them up because again, we're making like a chicken pasta. So you want to cut them up just enough so you can fry them. Okay. So, all right. Okay. And here we go. All right. Okay. point. There we go. Almost done, guys. You would have to cut it the way you want. Okay? So it's much more easier to do it that way. Alright. Okay. You want to make sure you get all the water out of your bowl, your container, whatever you're using. Make sure it's completely out. Okay. So now we're going to season. So we're using some adobo seasoning. Okay. All right. And then a little bit of black pepper. And then about half a spoon of minced garlic. Okay. All right. So now we're going to mix this. The minced garlic is going to give it the garlic flavor. If you don't have minced garlic, you can use garlic powder as well. Okay. All right. So now you need to get a skillet pan, a nice frying pan, and what we're going to do is put about a half a cup of oil in here. Turn it on medium heat because you're frying chicken breast, so it doesn't take that long to fry. Okay? And you just want to drop them in. Just drop them in there. All right. And there you have it. Now, I know you see chicken breast normally makes its own water sometimes. So what I'm going to do is let it cook a little bit, take them out, put in the rest, and then I will show you how to make it brown. Okay? So sometimes chicken breast, because it's more like a healthier chicken, it makes its own water. So we're going to do that. Okay? So, as you can see, this is a completely different pan. And it's drier. So what you want it to be completely dry so this can fry instead of actually boiling. It can fry. There we go. And we're going to put about 1.5 of the minced garlic in there. We also would need 1/2 cup of whole milk, carnation milk. I'm going to use some almond milk. Okay. And about 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay. Alright. So we're going to continue to mix this all together. Alright. We're going to mix it. And then our last ingredient is just to add a little bit of adobo seasoning. Okay. Alright. Just a little bit of adobo seasoning. And then as much garlic taste as you want, guys, you can have garlic taste. It doesn't have to be a lot. But if you're doing butter garlic taste, then you can add as much butter and as much garlic. Then I'm going to add about 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I don't want it completely cheesy, but I do want some cheese in there. And I do want to taste the butter. Okay. You can also make this bow tie Alfredo, chicken Alfredo, or you can make it the Cajun way. Alright, so you see a little bit of cheese there. Okay. So it's not completely showing. So just add another cup. Okay. As you guys can see, it's starting to come together. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to just taste the pasta. And it tastes lovely, guys. Butter garlic, chicken bow tie pasta. Okay, not too cheesy. Alright, and here we have it, guys. Butter garlic, chicken bow tie pasta. Alright. that, guys. Butter garlic chicken bow tie pasta. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys will try it. All right, guys. So, as I always say, remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see.